Hi, this is Ford from Chauvet, and I'm here to show you our two new theatrical fixtures. This is the E190WW. It is a 190 watt warm white LED ellipsoidal, 3100 degree Kelvin fixed color temperature fixture. This has 19 10 watt Cree emitters. It has all of the things that you'd expect from a high quality theatrical ellipsoidal. Shutter cuts, clearly, gobos, accessories. It has incredible dimming at the bottom end. It takes both 3 and 5 pin power in and out. Since it's only 208 watts, you can power 11 off a single 20 amp circuit. It has all of the same built-in dimming curves as our Colorado line, so you can emulate a tungsten dimming curve or you can set it to instantaneous on and off. The highly efficient optical system allows for extremely clean shutter cuts, 2 shutters working in almost the same plane for all of your complex angles, and of course, barrel rotation for those hard-to-reach angles. Over here, we have our Fresnel fixture. This has 16 10 watt Cree emitters, 180 watts, local control, so that when you're at your focus call, double tap, you have control over intensity, double tap again, you have control over zoom. It zooms from 9.5 degrees at the bottom, all the way out to almost 60 degrees at full flood. The inclusion of the local control at the fixture means that not only can you set it and forget it at a live event or a video shoot, but in a theatrical setting, at your focus calls, your electrician can go up in the lift, grab local control, set it, focus it, flood it, and then plug it back into DMX so that your board op has control during the show. It accepts all industry standard accessories. It'll work with a barn door. It offers a beautiful, even field of light. It makes things go very fast and very easy. It's everything that you'd need from a theatrical fixture.